most of life right now. You're not always going to be young. You're not always going to have the freedom and opportunities that youth brings. So make the most of them. So the answer to memento mori is carpe diem, seize the day. Don't let life be the thing that's happening while you're all on TikTok.
Do what you can to take whatever opportunities you have available to you. It's a really competitive industry. You've got to separate yourself from everyone else, not just at this uni but across the country. But whatever you do, just make sure that you're happy in what you're doing and that you're passionate about what it is. That, for me, counts for more than necessarily the grades you've got necessarily, or even in some cases the experience. Just whatever you're doing, make sure you just do it with passion and you're really happy to get up every day and motivate yourself to do it and to do better tomorrow than you were yesterday.
Funded studentship through the University of Bedfordshire, so the Institute of Health Research and Putteridge Bury, and they had put an idea together that they wanted us to look at how their children's palliative care services could be improved to meet the needs of children and their families. So that was quite an open idea that I could go and explore the topic and see what we could look at. And I obviously reviewed the literature, and what we found was that there wasn't much research about unmet needs from parents' perspectives specifically, and also expectations of parents and of what they expect from a service, and how that kind of shapes their view of the service, and their experience of access in the service, so the barriers and facilitators around what they might kind of experience when they're trying to guide their child through care. So that's how we kind of designed the study, so it kind of stems from there.
But what we really learned, I suppose, was that parents feel that they have to battle for the services that they want, that professionals aren't often aware of the services that are available, and that they have to constantly ask and advocate for their child, and that's a really difficult system to navigate. So we've done lots of things really. So we've thought about how people can refer themselves to our service. So we've made it a self-referral process, both in adults and children, rather than being a process where a professional has to make the referral.
We're just delighted with this first PhD funded student, and to be here today at the graduation for Georgina. Keach Hospice Care is a leading hospice that cares for children and adults, and we have a big background in research and innovation. But this particular piece of work was a great partnership with the university to really look at the needs of our families with children with life-limiting illnesses, and the evidence will change practice, which is so important.